Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. My name is Sagar, and in this video we'll see how we can do model installation in finance and operation. So first of all, let's understand the scenario. So currently we go to downloads. So I have this freely open source, you can say like this freely do-centric models available with me. So I have total 4 models with me. Okay, so how can I install these model into my finance and operation virtual machine? Okay, so now I have a lot of models available with me, so let's see how we can do that. Now the first thing is that make sure you know you are closing your Visual Studio. The Visual Studio should not be open, and also you can turn off the dynamic services, but currently I'm not going to do it. Okay, now the first thing is that you need to open your command prompt, and then we'll follow this particular document. So I can write here CMD. I will run my CMD as administrator, and then the first thing is that I need to go to my correct path. Okay, so if you are working on the LCS environment, so you can switch to a K directory. Okay, as in my system, for example, let's say if you want to K directory, you can simply type K colon, and this will navigate you to K. But currently in my this machine, I don't have any. I only have my C drive. Okay, so that's why I can't navigate to K drive, but usually if you have a LCS environment, you will have the K drive. But I will go to my C drive. Okay, and then the next thing is that the first thing is that I will need to go to a path. So where actually I will need to go? So for example, let me open my this PC here, as I have only C drive, so everything is located inside only one drive. You can go to AOS service, go to your PLD, and then you have your bin here, so simply open this. Okay, so here we can't directly open, so what I will do, I will copy this, okay, and simply type cd space and this path. Okay, if you enter K drive, only this will be changed, simply type K here. Okay, but before that you need to make sure you are available in K. Now as soon as you are done with this, then for installation you will need to use this command. Okay, so let me come down here. So I'll copy this command and I will paste this command, and let me, okay, yeah, so let me open this. Okay, here the first thing is that I need to provide my model store path. So this is a bit complicated, so instead of this you can use this particular command. So we have 3 scenarios here. The first thing is that either you will do a fresh installation of your model, either you will get a completely new model, or the second scenario could be you want to update your model. So in that case you will usually use the replace command, because you want to delete the older model and you want to install it with the new model. And a third scenario would be where you want to delete your model. Okay, so we'll see all of them. Okay, now we'll do this fresh installation. So here you can simply use this particular command. The only modification that you need to do here is, first thing is that make sure you're putting either here C or K depending upon how your VM looks. And then what I will do here, I will go to downloads. I will need to have these model files available locally somewhere inside our VM, so I can copy as path here, and I need to simply replace this. Okay, so once I replace this, I can copy this. Okay, and I can go to my CMD. Make sure again you are here inside at the correct location, and I will paste this command and I will press enter. Okay, and then I'll wait for some time depending upon how big is my model. So this looks to be a good 85 MB, so I'm waiting here. Now once this will be completed, then you can do verification here. For that you will need to go to your respective drive You can go to AOS service, you can go to PLD, and then here you should have that. So let me see. Okay, it just finished. So now if I will refresh, okay, so I can see this DOS-centric model is available now. Okay, and if in case, let's say if I'm doing a version update, at a time I can use a bit different command here. So in this scenario, the command will be exactly same. Here instead of import, you can use replace command. Okay, sorry, replace, R-E-P-L-A-C, replace. Now when you copy this, okay, and paste this, so what it will do, it will delete the older one and will install the fresh one. Okay, so once this is done, I can say yes. So again, it will take some good amount of time. So now if I will go here, so the fresh installation is done. Okay, so this is how you can do the fresh installation. You can update, or you can even delete as well. For delete, like you can typically do it by going to backend, and you can simply delete it from here. And once you get your contents available at your PLD, package local directory, then you can go to your you can open your Visual Studio, and then you can do a build and sync. So this is how you can install the model in finance and operation. Thanks for watching this video.